Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the F1 clip and the Wallpaper app installed. Pick a short, high-quality MP4 or MOV and place it in Movies. Once done, open the Live Wallpaper app and accept accessibility and screen recording permissions so the app can draw to your desktop. This step is crucial. Without those permissions, Mac OS will block a video from running behind icons. Make sure your clip is trimmed to under a minute for smoother playback and lower CPU use. Next, import that F1 file into the app and choose how it fills the screen. Select Fill for no black bars, Fit if you want the full frame, and decide 30 versus 60 FPS based on your Mac's GPU. 60 looks smoother but costs more battery. Once imported, toggle loop so the clip repeats, and turn off the clip audio unless you want it playing constantly. Finally, preview on a single monitor first, then apply to all displays if desired. Finish by setting the wallpaper to start at login so your F1 scene appears every boot. Apply your settings and watch for CPU or battery impact. If you see high usage, lower resolution or frame rate, and enable performance mode. If the video won't play, make sure screen recording and accessibility permissions are granted in system settings, and that energy saver or low power mode isn't blocking background processes. Reboot after changing permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.